So today we are going to understand Swastik Asana position. So starting with the Dandasana position, extend your legs forward. This is your Dandasana. So first, slide your heel towards your side, cross your shin from the center, lifting your feet without lifting your heels, holding your feet from the outer side. Now, moving your feet diagonally out, which means at the same time you're moving your feet forward and out. So holding your feet one more time. Now moving my right foot towards the left foot towards the right side. Same action, relaxing my knees down. Okay, as you see here, there is no space between my shin bones. So which means your front leg calf muscle is in contact with the back leg shin bone. Now holding your calf muscle, taking your calf muscle slightly out. And as you see, my left knee is over the right heel, my right knee is over the inner side of the left foot. So you have to maintain this position. This is your easy variation for Swastik Asana.
You can add this asana in your daily practice.